If your shower or tub drain's backing up, let me show you can fix that for under $4. Let's get started. So right now my shower drain keeps draining super slow to where after about showering for 1 minute, the pan's already filled with water and rising quickly. So let me show you what it's doing. So it's just been a little over a minute and there's already a ton of water right now in this shower pan. So now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to unclog a clog like this. First thing you wanna do, remove that shower grate and get it out of the way. Make sure you don't drop those screws in the hole, because I've done that before and it sucks. Ew. We're gonna take this and wipe the back side of it and clean it up a bit. To clean this, I'm just gonna be using some Lysol. We'll spray it on, let it sit, wipe that back side off and get some of that gunk off. And now I know some of you now are gonna be like, why don't you have gloves on? Well, this is just a shower. So it's not like there's feces or urine going in here, but it's a smart idea if you want to stay clean and put them on. Plus, this is my own shower, so it's my stuff in there anyways. Now that we got the grate clean, let's look at the drain and see what's inside, because it's pretty gross. And right there you can see probably one of the main culprits. There's hair and a bunch of gunk and soap scum in there. So we're gonna grab that out of the way, pull it out, and then see if there's anything else in the bottom. If you don't have one of these, you can get one of these grabbers as well. It makes it really nice for grabbing the gunk and hair and stuff that's normally built up. Oh, gosh. That's disgusting. That is hair and soap. Oh, it smells gross. Now put it in a bag. Whew. Make sure you get one of these. Or you can use your hands, but it's pretty gross. Now that that's out of the way, we're gonna spray some Lysol on the drain, let it sit for a sec, kill any bacteria or germs in it, and then we're gonna run some water. Now that the drain's a little cleaned up, let's run some water and use the plunger to plunge the rest out. Now when filling this up with water, you wanna make sure you use the hottest water possible, because it's gonna help break up the stuff in the drain. And you also want to try to get it filled up to at least the very top of the drain, if you can, if there's still a clog there. If not, we'll put the plunger on there and plunge it a bit just to move that stuff up and down, and we should be good. So I got my $4 plunger right now, and we're gonna plunge away. Also, while we're at it, we're gonna rinse off our grabbers. Let's plunge one more time, let some water fill up. Moving that junk up and down. Work it back a couple times. Now if you really want to get crazy, you can get a scrubber brush or a battery powered scrubber like this. And I'm going to put some pink stuff on this and scrub that drain out so it's nice and clean and stuff can't grab onto anything in there. And once that's done, it should be good for another few years. Now that is a pretty clean drain for the most part. Now all I need to do is put the cover back on and put the 2 screws in, run the water for a few minutes, and we're good. And thankfully now we have a nice unclogged drain that's also pretty clean as well. So now I'm not gonna be showering in a bathtub, which I'm super thankful for. And that was pretty gross. Now the last thing you wanna make sure you do is whatever you put your junk in, make sure you take that bag outside or your bathroom's really gonna start stinking up, or wherever you have that bag. And just like that, with these 2 simple tools for under $10, we got our drain unclogged and we saved ourselves over $150, because if we called a plumber, that's how much they would have charged. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Make sure you leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.